even though it's been so long. My love for you keeps going strong. I remember the things that we used to do. Kids on the rain when the sun shine through. Starting to share, but I'm still in love with you. And I miss you like crazy. I miss you like crazy. Everywhere I live for you, it's just a matter over you. I can see the shine shining in your eyes. I love your little reason why. Pakidugtungan nyo na lang mga lods. At mali-mali yung lyrics ko, pero ganun pa man, that song was brought to you by Roman Betancourt. Ride safe, ride out. Peace. Boom. I'm starting to share. I'm starting forevermore. LSS Last Song Syndrome. And I miss you like crazy. Lods, kung may mga ano ba yung mga ano nyo, team song nyo sa sarili nyo, yung mga paborito nyong kanta, i-comment down below nyo naman mga lods. At malay nyo, alam ko yan, kakantahin ko yan. Kahit na hindi kayo maggulog ng 5 piso, kakantahin ko pa rin yan. Kasi I'm a Filipino and I love karaoke. And I miss you like crazy. I miss you like crazy. Everywhere I live for you is just a matter over me. I can see the love. Ang oras ngayon ay 11 na yata, 11:20 mga ganyan. So mga lods, papaalam na ako. Hanggang dito na lang tong video na to. Ride safe, ride out. Peace. Boom.